Hi guys, it's Rachel at WTI, and I want to talk about one of my favorite pair of sunglasses. So these are the Ray-Ban Aviator, and this has a gold metal frame, and the lens is actually a pinkish gray color. This is a very classic look. I like having the grayish tinge with the pink because it tends to go with my complexion. This is one thing that drew me to these sunglasses. I love that it has the Ray-Ban symbol right on the lens, just like the classic look. It has such a great shape frame that actually complements anyone's face, which is really nice because they're a little bit wider. It tends to suit a lot of people better. I really love the color of it as well because it's gonna go with everything. So the gold frame I tend to really like with this color lens as well. It blends so nice together. It's such a classic, timeless look, which I love about Ray-Bans. You can't go wrong. It comes in so many different colors. The frames come in many different colors. The lenses come in many different colors. So you can pretty much pick whatever suits you best. I also love at the end part on the handles that go over your ears that it's a clear color. I find that pretty cool, so it doesn't stand out. Everything just blends perfectly together and they look amazing. But that's just my point of view.